Hello everyone, let's talk about Philippines versus Indonesia, cheapest country for online entrepreneurs. Let us compare in the aspect of cost of living. Indonesia generally boasts lower base operational and living costs when being compared to major urban centers in the Philippines. While Philippines has a low cost of living overall, major cities like Manila and popular tourist destinations like Boracay and Palawan can be more expensive. Startup costs, and business operations. Indonesia offers a competitive business landscape with lower costs for setting up smaller businesses. It has made strides in many streamlining company corporation with digital infrastructure. Meanwhile, in the Philippines, it has a relatively simple company registration process, but through navigating beside bureaucratic hurdles can sometimes be time consuming. If we compare them in the aspect of taxation, Indonesia has a corporate tax rate of 22% and they introduce a 12% VAT on imported goods and sales of foreign intangible or digital goods. Meanwhile, in the Philippines, they recently lowered its corporate tax rate to 25% for large corporations and 20% for small businesses. It has also introduced a 12% VAT on digital services. Talking about the internet and infrastructure, Bali is well known for its co-working spaces and digital nomad infrastructure. However, internet can be variable in more remote areas. If we are to compare that into the Philippines, major cities and tourist areas in the Philippines generally have good internet connectivity and growing co-working spaces. However, outside of big cities, internet can be spotty. In conclusion, online entrepreneurs primarily seeking the cheapest option, Indonesia appears to have the edge due to its generally lower cost of living, more competitive initial business setup costs for smaller ventures for businesses.